Hello guys, this is Devesh from 3D Vlogs. This is part 2 on Space Invaders using Pygame. I am using Py.3. So let us see what we have to now. I am going to run the program. Here we go. Here we have a red square, and if I click here, the x and y coordinate of the square changes and comes to the position where the cursor was. Now I am quitting the program. So today we will learn how to use an actual spaceship as the player instead of a square and change the background color to black. Because the color of space is black, we will use the background color as black. I am going to use this spaceship as the player. Now let us see the directory of this image file and go to details. So the path of it is #storage emulated 0 download, and the name of the file is player.png. Now I will save that. Now I came back to the program. Now I am going to use the variable player image equal to pygame dot image dot load, and then in the double quotes we will give the path of the file storage emulated 0 download and the name of the file, that is player.png. Now if we look at the resolution of the image, it is 394 into 347. I want to change it to 100 into 100. So let us do that. For that we will use the statement player image, the same name of the variable, and pygame dot transform dot scale. Then the name of the image we want to change the size, it is player image. Then the new resolution we want, and it is 100 by 100. Now if I run the program, nothing will happen, only the square will appear on the screen. Oh, there is an error. It is saying it is player image, and nothing will happen. The image didn't come on the screen. We will change that. For that we need another statement, that is, first we write the name of the surface, that is W, and we will blit the player image on the window, and the name of the image followed by the XY coordinate. I am simply putting 0 by 0. Now it will work. And here it is, a spaceship come on the screen. Now we have the player image, so I am going to cut this rectangle and also this print statement. Now I want to change the background color to black. So the RGB value of black is, an extra bracket came, 0, 0 and 0. It is the background color of black. And here is a black background. Now that's done, let us move the player in our control. The same thing, change the XY coordinate to X and Y, and it will move according to the cursor position. If I click here, it will come here. Imagine this box as the player image. It has X and Y coordinates. Now we can move our player, but the main problem is that it gets hidden by my fingers. I want to change that. This arrow is the X and Y coordinate. That means whenever I touch on the arrow, the player should be above my fingers. So let us implement that in our code. For that I will be using another variable, say x1, and it has the value x minus 50, and another variable y1, and it has the value y minus 250 and change the x and y coordinate of the player image to x1 and y1. Now let us run the program. Here we go, we got the player image in top of my hand. I hope you can see the cursor position due to that grey ball. Future videos I will be teaching you to make bullets, enemies and so on. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comment box. So bye bye.